Hey, want to make some easy cash daily? This Google app could pay you up to $15 a day instantly. But is it real or fake?
And just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, it's gonna come right on your inbox, okay?
In today's video, I'll show you the full truth about Google Opinion Rewards, a legit app by Google that pays users for answering short surveys. I'll walk you through how it works, how much you can really earn daily, and the truth behind all those $15 a day instantly claims floating around on YouTube and TikTok. It's called Google Opinion Rewards, and it's super simple. Google pays you for sharing your opinions through quick surveys. You get short surveys based on your location or browsing habits. Each survey takes seconds and pays anywhere from a few cents to over $1. It adds up fast. The best part? You can withdraw your earnings as Google Play credit for apps and games or directly to your PayPal account. The minimum withdrawal is usually just $2 for PayPal, making it really accessible. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income. Download Google Opinion Rewards today and start getting paid for your thoughts.